An inspiring story for us to believe in the power of prayer and the miracles that can manifest through unwavering faith and the acts of kindness. There is a young girl named Amna. She is known for her kind heart and unwavering faith. Amna works at a local orphanage, pours her love into the lives of children who had lost their parents. One stormy evening, as she walked home from the orphanage, a sudden downpour drenched her in seconds. Seeking shelter, she hurried into a small, dimly lit mosque nearby. Alone in the mosque, she found solace in the peaceful ambience, feeling a deep connection to the serene surroundings. Amna knelt down and poured her heart out in dua, praying for guidance and strength to continue her work with the children. Tears mixed with raindrops as she earnestly sought blessings for the orphans she cared for. As she finished her prayer, Amna heard a faint whimpering sound. Surprised, she followed the sound and discovered a tiny kitten, shivering and soaked in a corner of the mosque. Without a second thought, Amna picked up the trembling kitten, wrapping it gently in her scarf. Amna took the kitten home and cared for it, nursing it back to health. She named it Baraka, which means blessing in Arabic, because she believed it was a sign of answered prayer. And days turned into weeks. The bond grew stronger. The children at the orphanage adored the playful kitten, finding joy and comfort in its presence. One afternoon, as Amna was at the orphanage, she received an unexpected visitor. A well dressed gentleman stood at the door, carrying legal documents. He introduced himself as a lawyer representing a wealthy benefactor who had passed away, leaving behind a substantial inheritance for the orphanage. Amna was shocked. It was as if her heartfelt dua had been heard and answered in the most unexpected way. The lawyer explained that the benefactor had been deeply moved by Amna's dedication to the children and had specifically mentioned her in the will, entrusting her with overseeing the use of the inheritance for the betterment of the orphanage. Allahu Akbar. Overwhelmed with gratitude, Amna realized that her prayer for guidance and strength had not only been answered but also brought unexpected blessings into her life and the lives of the children she cared for. And with the newfound resources, the orphanage flourished. It expanded its facilities, providing better education, healthcare, and a nurturing environment for the children. Amna's story stood as a testament to the profound impact dua could have, not just in individual ways, but in transforming entire communities with love and compassion.